Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest technology news and updates. Today, we're discussing DroneShield's latest invention, the DroneGun Mk4, a powerful anti-drone weapon that can disrupt and disable multiple unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, simultaneously. The DroneGun Mk4 is a portable and compact device that's designed to jam control, navigation, and video transmission signals of drones, making them unable to perform their intended functions. This innovative device is more compact and lightweight than its predecessors, making it easier to handle and operate with just one hand. One of the most impressive features of the DroneGun Mk4 is its ability to operate in various environmental conditions while being protected by IP67 standards. This means it can withstand harsh conditions and continue to function effectively, even in extreme weather conditions. Using the DroneGun Mk4 is simple and straightforward. It takes only 3 seconds to prepare for use. Just aim the device at the drone and press the trigger. The DroneGun Mk4 can jam multiple UAVs at the same time, making it highly effective against various types and models of drones. With the DroneGun Mk4, DroneShield has provided law enforcement and security agencies with a powerful weapon to counter the growing threat posed by rogue drones. The device's ability to disrupt and disable UAVs can prevent potential attacks and safeguard sensitive areas, making it a valuable addition to any security arsenal. Although the DroneGun Mk4 can disable UAVs, it's important to note that DroneShield's CUAS capabilities do not include manipulating protocols or cyber tactics. Instead, the defeat technologies offered by DroneShield are non-kinetic obstacles to the controlled management of threats. Overall, the DroneGun Mk4 is an impressive anti-drone weapon that offers improved performance and protection over previous models. With its compact size, lightweight design, and ease of use, the DroneGun Mk4 is sure to become a popular choice for law enforcement and security agencies around the world.